Hey guys, this is Abhijit. You are watching Royal Galaxy, and you know what? It is one of the biggest fantasies of a programmer to code or work on their projects right from their mobile device. But, as you all know, that mobile devices are not so advanced. But Frederick Fonwall and this person, you got a serious name. I don't want to pronounce it wrong cause I am not able to pronounce it. Okay, so these two combined made it possible to install Visual Studio Code right onto your mobile device. Also, there's one disadvantage, but we will talk about that at the end of the video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the procedure. So first of all, you will need an APK called termux, and you can easily find it on Google Play Store. Also, I will drop the link in the description box down below. Install the APK and then open it. Once you open it, you will be able to see a similar interface like that of mine. Again, I want to mention that there is a page on dev.to. If you miss out something, you can always go and see the complete list of commands there. I will drop this link too in the description box. So go there and check out if you have any issues with it.
We will need some packages before we can actually install VS Code aka code server on our device. So just copy these commands and install the required packages one by one. These packages combined with the actual package for VS Code or code server will cost you around 200 to 250 megabytes of internet.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count at my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I
Once the installation process is done, we need to start the development server to start using our newly installed code server. To start a development server, just type code server in termux and hit enter. Also, we'll be asked for a password each time we start the server. In order to see it or to change it, we need to install one more package called micro and then open up a file called config.yaml through it. Slide from the left corner in the termux APK to open sidebar and press new session and write the following commands in there. Now you can see your default password over here. If you want to change, you can change it from here or change the authentication type from password to none. I just prefer password protection, so I am not changing anything here. If you did any changes, then hit Ctrl plus S to save. You can find the control button on the tab above your keyboard. Also, you need to press Ctrl plus Q to exit micro. For now, just copy the password. Open your browser, go to localhost port 8080, paste the password over there, and you are good to go. I have used Visual Studio Code earlier in my device, and therefore themes and other extensions applied automatically. You can install almost every extension that you have installed on your desktop or laptop. Although I have told you that it has one disadvantage, so let's talk about that. You will always need a physical keyboard to use it. And if you don't use it, the things will get little annoying. This is all. It only has one disadvantage. Okay, so once your work is done, close the developer server by hitting Ctrl+C on your termux window.